This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and connecting it to your app. Pick a concise project name and region. Once done, add platforms, web, iOS, or Android, so Firebase generates platform-specific config files. Make sure to download Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info. List and store it in your app project. This links your code with the console. If you expect storage or functions use, enable billing now. Otherwise, stick with the free Spark plan to prototype quickly. Next, configure the core services you'll actually use and why each matters. You should enable authentication providers so users can sign in securely, set password policies, and OAuth consent accordingly. Then choose Firestore or Realtime Database based on query needs, and write restrictive security rules first, simulate reads and writes to validate them. Also provision cloud storage for files and cloud functions for backend logic. Grant minimal IAM roles to teammates so access stays controlled. Test. Finally, deploy your app and set up monitoring so you can react to problems quickly. Use the Firebase CLI to initialize, build, and deploy hosting, functions, and rules. Confirm the console shows recent deploy timestamps. Once live, monitor Crashlytics for crashes and the performance and usage dashboards for bottlenecks. Create alerts for error rates and quota thresholds. If something goes wrong, check security rules, cloud function logs, and that your config files are present. A permissions mismatch is the most likely culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.